Evil was not invented by God. This is as if it's some kind of substance in and of itself. And this is the trick I want people to get through, because there's debates over what is evil in the world of philosophy and theology. And, there are those who talk about what we call a deprivation view. That evil is where God is not present, where God isn't found. And, well, that breaks omnipresence. Like, God is found everywhere. And so it's not that evil exists because God isn't present, as if it's a yin-yang kind of, oh, look, as God recedes, so evil exists more and more.